Welcome back to my channel, guys. Monotology. Our topic for today is about how crazy is Harry Roque in this Senate hearing, where Senator Gatchalian got pissed off o nainis po dahil while Senator Riza Hontiveros is trying to explain something, Harry Roque doesn't want Riza Hontiveros to speak, and he keeps on stopping her in between her lines. So, panoorin po natin ang video na to na nakakatuwang panoorin, na nakakainis. Anyway, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para po lagi kayo updated sa Monotology. Here's the video!
Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually, as I said earlier, excuse me. No, excuse me.
Ma'am, excuse me kasi...
No, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am a resource person invited.
Yes, you are. Wait. Let me finish.
To answer.
Yes, you already answered in excess.
Kapag gusto nyo akong tumigil, papatigil nyo kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am saying, yes, and Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya. Siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
So guys, masasabi ko lang, I'm very thankful to Gatchalian that he has the balls to stop Harry Roque doon sa pambabastos niya kay Senator Riza Hontiveros. And I think dapat merong mga ganyan na matatapang na senator, na to stop yung mga ganitong mga pangyayari na the male senator and the opposing position is trying to be very bastos and very intimidated, and knowing that Riza Hontiveros is the chairperson in that Senate hearing. But anyway, thank you kay Gatchalian. I applauded him. I applauded him, and I applauded Riza Hontiveros, because she's really very fierce. She keeps on talking. Even Harry Roque was trying to stop her. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video.